There is no time in my day that I'm only doing one thing. While my coffee is brewing, while dinner is in the oven, while a video is uploading, I am always doing something else during that break. That's the whole system I'm showing you today, and it's the reason I can keep up with my habits during the busiest seasons of the year instead of watching them disappear the second my calendar fills up. Hey friends, welcome back to the Life of Amy June. So fall is not a quiet season for me. Between school starting back up, events on the weekends, hosting my sister's wedding reception here, and everything else that comes with this time of year, my calendar fills up fast. Habit stacking is how I protect the things that matter to me without needing extra time that I clearly do not have. Today, I'm walking you through my actual stacks, the ones I use every single day, and where they live inside my planning system. What habit stacking actually is. The idea is simple. Instead of trying to carve out brand new time for a habit, you attach it to something you're already doing, usually something that has a built-in wait or a built-in break. The existing action becomes the trigger, and the new habit rides along on time that was otherwise going to waste. There's actual research behind why this works so well. Psychologists Peter Gallwitzer and Pashal Sheeran found that forming a specific "when this happens, I will do that" plan makes you significantly more likely to actually follow through compared to just intending to do something in a general sense. That's really all a stack is. It's not, I should fold laundry sometime today. It's, while dinner is in the oven, I fold laundry. The plan already has its trigger built in. My morning stack, the kitchen reset. Here's my actual morning one. While my cold foam is frothing or my coffee is brewing, I put away any clean dishes that dried overnight, load whatever got used in the morning into the dishwasher, and I wipe down the counters. By the time my coffee is ready, my kitchen is reset for the day. I didn't add a single extra minute to my morning. I just used the minute that was already there. My cooking stack, clean and tidy as I go. Dinner is another one of these built-in windows. I clean as I cook so dishes don't pile up while I'm making the meal. And anytime something is actually in the oven and I have hands free, I fold laundry or tidy up something nearby. There genuinely is not a break in my evening where I'm standing around waiting. If something else is happening, I'm doing something during it. My business stack, downloads and packing. This one lives on the Luxe and Amy June Lashes side of things while a video is downloading, which can take a few minutes depending on the file. I use that window to brainstorm content or write scripts instead of just watching the progress bar. And when I'm packing lash orders or planner orders, that's hands busy, brain free time, so I put on true crime since I love it so much, or a business or motivational podcast. I still get my fix, I'm still getting things done, and neither one has to lose to the other one. My family stack. This one's a little different because family time is harder to compress into a spare minute, and honestly it shouldn't be, but car events are one of my son's favorite things, and I've realized I can bring my own goals into the same window instead of treating it as a time completely separate from everything else going on. I get to network for work, spend real time with my son doing something he really loves, and it counts as family time all at once. It's not about multitasking through connection, it's about finding the overlap that already exists. Where this lives in my planner. Every one of these stacks is color-coded on my daily pages in my time blocking section using the same system I use for everything else. The kitchen reset and laundry stack are orange. I usually just title it as, coffee, tidy, free time at home or whatever. Nothing specific. I change it all the time. The video and packing stacks are pink and teal for Amy June Lashes and Luxe. The car event stack is green because it is more family focused than it is work for me. Seeing the color tells me instantly which part of my life each one is actually protecting, and that's part of why they stick. They're not floating on a separate habit tracker I forget to check. They're built into the page that I'm already looking at every day. How to find your own. If you want to build stacks like this, don't start by picking a new habit. Start by noticing where your day already has forced waiting built in. Coffee brewing, food in the oven, a download bar, a drive you're already taking. Those windows exist in your day whether you use them or not. The only question is whether something useful is happening during them. If you want some ideas, I created a free resource for you where I give you a bunch of habit stacking ideas that maybe you can customize for your own life. I will leave a link down in the description box below if you want to check it out. And if you want the full daily pages where I actually build these stacks alongside my color-coded blocks, it's in the Productivity Prism Planner. I will link that below as always. I'm so grateful you're here today. Tell me in the comments, what's the waiting window that already exists for you in your day that you haven't been using yet? Coffee brewing, a commute, anything. I'd love to help you think through what could go there. If you're new here, I'm Amy, and this channel is all about realistic productivity and planning systems for busy people. My goal here is to help you be as productive as possible with feeling as little stress and overwhelm as possible. There is no perfection required here. If that sounds like your kind of place, subscribe so we can keep figuring all of this out together. Thanks again so much for being here. I appreciate you so much, and I will see you in the next one real soon. Bye.